everyone, welcome to News and Flash column of 29 September 2021, which is brought to you by LawSeco. The first news in point which we are going to discuss today is Haryana's first butterfly survey. Haryana State Forest and Wildlife Department conducted the state's first butterfly survey in Rewari Khol block. The survey conducted in a contiguous stretch in 10 villages, that is Palra, Basduda, Khol, Manethi, Bhalki, Majra, Nanda, Balwari, Ahrod and Khaleta, spread over 1,000 hectares, was conducted to chalk out a strategy for conservation of butterflies and moths in Aravallis. The survey coincides with the butterfly month, which is observed from September 5th to October 4th. Next we have Astrosat turns 6. Astrosat, India's maiden space-based observatory, has completed 6 years of successful operations. Launched by Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, on September 28, 2015, Astrosat has not only outperformed expectation of a 5-year mission, but also continues to remain operational till date. This multi-wavelength observatory, conceived in the 1990s, saw the collaboration of scientists from the ISRO, Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Raman Research Institute, Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and the Physical Research Laboratory. Next, we have World Heart Day. To increase public awareness of cardiovascular diseases, their prevention, and their global impact, the World Heart Day is observed and celebrated annually on September 29. As per the World Heart Federation, World Heart Day is important as cardiovascular diseases remain the world #1 killer, resulting in 18.6 million deaths a year. COVID-19 has also been more heartbreaking for this figure, as it has made 520 million people living with CVD more vulnerable to developing severe forms of the coronavirus. This year, the theme of World Heart Day is Use Heart to Connect. Finally, we have 4th Indo-US Health Dialogue 2021. The 2-day dialogue leveraged as a platform to deliberate upon multiple ongoing collaboration in the health sector between the two countries. The issue related to areas of concern pertaining to strengthening of epidemiological research and surveillance, vaccine development, One Health, zoonotic and vector-borne diseases, health system, and health policies, etc., were discussed during the 2-day dialogue. 2 MOUs were also signed today at the concluding session. One MOU was signed between the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of Republic of India and Department of Health and Human Services of the US, concerning cooperation in the field of health and biomedical sciences. Another MOU was signed between Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease for cooperation on International Center for Excellence in Research. So this was all for the news and flash today. We hope you like our session. Also, if you wish to follow it, definitely give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching and do subscribe it.